Hello everyone, welcome back to another Python tutorial. In this episode, we are going to learn how to sort lists in Python. So without further ado, let's get started. Sorting. So what is sorting? Generally, sorting means arranging items in a particular order either in ascending or in descending order. And Python gives us two ways to sort a list, that is sort method and sorted function. Now let's dive into both of these methods. Sort method modifies the elements of the list. The syntax for sort method is listName.sort and we include the parameter inside the bracket. The key parameter is an optional parameter. It allows to specify a function to be used for sorting. For instance, we can use the len function to sort a list of the strings according to their length. And the reverse parameter is also an optional, and by default it is set false. That means list is sorted in an ascending order, but if we set reverse equals to true, the list will be sorted in descending order. Now let's go and practice the sort method in Jupyter Notebook. Hash sort method. Now I am going to create a list named numbers. So numbers equals, so I'm giving some random numbers like 8 3 2 5 1 7. I'm closing the square bracket. Now we use the sort method like numbers dot sort and then close the bracket. Then we have to print the numbers, then print and then numbers. If we run this, so this method sort the element of list in ascending order by default, but if we want to sort in descending order, we can use reverse equals to true parameter. So let's do that. Hash using sort for descending order. Let's create a new list. Number 2 equals to 1 4 and 3 6 7 and close the list. And then I will use the sort method, but I will give parameters like reverse equals to true here and close the bracket, and then I will print number 2. And now let's run and see. Look, it gives the original list in the descending order. So this sort method will give in the ascending order, whereas if we specify the parameter reverse equals to true, then the result will be in the descending order. Next, I will explain for sorting with custom key. As we explained earlier, we can customize the sorting order by using key parameters. Like for example, we can sort a list of words by their length. So let's see the example for that. So let's say with using key parameter, and I will create a list named colors and then assigned some string like red and green and let's say blue and let's say orange orange and then let's say white. As we see here, the length of the string is different. Here's a 3 and 5 4. Now let's sort this. For that we write colors dot sort and then we write key equals to len. Now print colors. So we're going to run this. See, red comes first, then blue. It's a 4 alphabets, and then green, and then white, and then orange. So this is how the sorting happens with the using the key parameter. Now let's move to another chapter. Now let's move to the sorted function. The sorted function returns a new sorted list without altering the original list. The syntax for sorted function is sorted, and we include iterable and key value at the reverse value. So for iterable, it can be any sequence that is to be sorted, like list, set, string, and any other. And similarly for the key is also optional here, and it's a function to execute to decide the order of the elements, and by default it is none. And the reverse is also optional. The default value is false, which gives output in ascending order, but if it is true, it gives output in descending order. Now let's practice this sorted function in Jupyter Notebook. Hash the sorted function, and then now let's create our list as name num equals to, let's keep some random numbers, that is 6, 3, and then 2, 5, 1. Let's close the square bracket. Now we want to use the sorted function, and first we'll create a variable to store that. So sorted, and let's say num, and then we use sorted function like this, and we give num inside it, and then we are going to print this sorted. Sorted num. We'll run and see this. Yes, it sorts the elements in the ascending order. And similar to the sort method, in this method also we can sort the elements of the list in descending order by using reverse equals to true parameter. So for that, using sorted for descending order, and then let's create a new list, and then we'll give some numbers 3, 8, 6, and then we'll assign a new variable num2, and then we'll use the sorted function, and num2 should be provided, and another is that reverse equals to true, and we print the result, that is sorted and underscore num2. So let's run this. This now gives us the result in descending order. Now let's use the key parameter. So hash using sorted, and then with key parameters. I'm creating a list named like fruits equals to, and then square bracket, and let's say apple, and then banana, and then kiwi, and let's say orange, and let's say strawberry, and close the bracket. Now I will create the new variable to store that, sorted underscore fruits equals, I'll use the sorted function, and then I'll give here the fruits and key equals to len. So it will sort the element of the list according to the length of the element. Now let's print this, and then sorted fruits. Let's run and see. So yeah, kiwi, apple, banana, orange, and strawberry. See, we have sorted the list according to the length of the elements. Okay, this is how we sort list in Python. As we discussed earlier, we can use both sort and the sorted methods, and with the key parameter we can customize the sorting process. This much for today. I will see you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. See you in the next time.